Second case study today is a farm in New Hampshire. This home was built for a family that was moving from out of state for a job relocation. They had two teenage children, so they were looking for a lot of different living spaces in their home. Their number one priority, however, was an in-town walkable location so that their children could walk to the high school. Their second priority was energy efficiency. They looked at existing homes and couldn't find anything that met these two criteria, so they decided to build. They found an in-town location, but it was a tight space with roads on the front and the back, as well as neighbors on either side. So they wanted the home to look really good from both road views. They also wanted a variety of outdoor living spaces. Because the lot was flat, they chose a slab-on-grade foundation, which is what Unity typically recommends when there's 4 foot of slope or less. In terms of living space, they wanted 3 to 4 bedrooms, including laundry on the first floor, a home office, and then they wanted a family room or guest space for some of those out-of-town guests, along with an open floor plan and a 2-car garage. You can see here our farm constellation and some of the elements that they selected for their plan. There are multiple kitchen and bedroom layouts, and so this is how you can customize using our Streamlined process. Using Seamless, you get a view of the home from different sides. Here we look at the rear view as well as the front view, but 360-degree views are possible. From the floor plan view, you can see that this farm was designed in a more efficient, compact L shape compared to Andrew's farm in Vermont, and that's because of the tight lot location. Here you can see the finished first floor plan, and they ended up with a covered porch, a screen porch, and a patio, in addition to their indoor living spaces. Here's their second floor plan. And here's a sneak preview of how it all turned out. They did get their open concept kitchen, living, dining room. They ended up putting a half bath in their mud room or connector space. They have that first floor laundry, and then they have a lovely primary suite, which they use as a den or family room with a guest suite and bath. Upstairs, they have 3 large bedrooms, and this is one of the options that we have because the farm actually has 5 upstairs floor plan options for a lot of customization possibilities. Thank you for joining us for these 2 case studies today.